Hi, I'm Jerry, and this is Angie.
The Angie is an 8-driver in-ear monitor designed with dual low, dual mid, and quad high balanced armatures. This IEM has a high mid forward sound with a flat bass response. This IEM features a patented 4-pin cable with an aluminum locking connector and adjustable bass pod. Enjoy the flexibility of variable bass response from 0 decibels to plus 10 decibels. We recommend Angie for the live vocalists who want to hear their voice without being overpowered by low end. For the audiophile, Angie delivers crisp vocals without an overpowering low end. On the technical side, it features a 3-way crossover. Frequency response is 10 Hz to 23 kHz. Stainless steel triple bore design. Freqphase, JH Audio's patented Waveguide technology, which ensures perfect phase and accuracy across all frequencies. Input sensitivity is 117 decibels at 1 megawatt, and the impedance is 17 ohms. Its features include a comfortable custom fit, customization with over 40 color choices and unlimited design options, 26 decibels of isolation, and replaceable 4-pin audio cable to 3.5mm gold-plated connector. Each set of Jerry Harvey audio IEMs is designed and handcrafted just for your ears in the USA, and includes a personalized Jerry Harvey signature IEM case, wax tool, and screwdriver to adjust the variable bass response, and comply wrap sample pack. The Angie is currently on stage with these performers and artists. Thanks for choosing JH.